The Prime Minister's latest comment and how it set political circles abuzz with a dig at the opposition INDI bloc. Speaking about the differences within the INDI bloc, the Prime Minister says the battle over the prime ministerial face has reached a crescendo. While he did not name any leader, the Prime Minister said that over the last 15 days, there's a storm brewing within the opposition as one of the top leaders from the alliance has refused to campaign till they declared the prime ministerial face. We first up listen in.
मैंने कहा मामला क्या है, ठंडे पड़े हो। वैसे उनके एक नेता ने बयान भी कर दिया कि हमारे लोग बहुत सुस्त है, ठंडे है, कुछ करना नहीं चाहते। तो उन्होंने कहा कि इंडी गठबंधन की वरिष्ठ नेतागिरी में पिछले 15 दिन से बहुत तूफान चल रहा है। इंडी गठबंधन उन्हें प्रधानमंत्री का उम्मीदवार घोषित नहीं करेगा, वो एक भी चुनाव प्रचार में नहीं जाएंगे। अब ये हाल है उनका, वो बता नहीं पा रहे हैं उनका नेता कौन है, और वो अंदर अंदर लड़ रहे हैं। और इंडी गठबंधन वाले कहते हैं कि भाई अभी नहीं, चुनाव नतीजे आने के बाद तय करेंगे। अब वो अड़ करके बैठ गए हैं और वो कहते हैं जब तक मुझे नेता घोषित नहीं करोगे, मैं कोई रैली करने वाला नहीं हूं।
While the Prime Minister didn't name any leader, as you just heard, speculations are rife over who the leader could be. Remember, the INDI bloc has not declared any prime ministerial candidate. The opposition leaders have in fact decided that the decision will be taken only after they come to power. The BJP has been mocking the opposition stance, saying the INDI bloc is just an anti-Modi bloc, where each leader wants to be the Prime Minister, including Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Mamata Banerjee, Arvind Kejriwal and Sharad Pawar.
बड़ी पीटी पिटाई बातें मोदी जी करने लगे। हारता हुआ चुनाव देखकर लगता है अरे हमारा नेता तय है, हमारी बारात तय है, हम बारात लेके आएंगे, जैसे ही हमारा बहुमत साबित होगा तैयार रहें। मोदी जी उस हमारे नेता को, जो उनको देखने में भी अच्छा लगेगा, काम करने में भी अच्छा लगेगा, प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में शपथ दिला देंगे बगल में बैठ के।
Let me quickly take in a word from Shivani, my colleague, joining us with more details. Shivani, you know, this particular comment by the Prime Minister in one of his election speeches most certainly has everyone guessing on who he was talking about. Any guesses really? What's going on in the BJP camp? Who is this leader that may just not go ahead with the INDI strategy as planned if he's not declared the PM face?
Kutshin, there are speculations going on, and it's being said that all the senior leaders of the INDI bloc, they want to be the contenders for the PM's race, and they haven't yet decided on to who would be the Prime Minister. And now they are justifying that we are doing the politics of ideology, we don't believe in the politics of person, and when we'll win and when we'll go with the victory to the parliament, then we'll decide who the Prime Minister would be. But when the Prime Minister was in Bihar and making this particular comment, all the guesses are pointing towards Lalu Prasad Yadav, who happens to be the senior leader, and he is not seen campaigning of late. So the guesses go in the direction of Lalu Prasad Yadav, and this is also being pointed out by the BJP that all the leaders of different parties among themselves, they are not united. There's no consensus on who the Prime Minister face would be, and that is why no such announcement has been made. So this is a major point where BJP is trying to mock the India bloc. They say they have not yet decided on who the face is of the India bloc, and that is why they can't declare. And among themselves, there is a lot of discontent. That's why few leaders, few senior ones, have decided not to bring themselves ahead in these campaigning seasons, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is conducting rallies after rallies, 3 states in a day. So this is what's happening right now, Kutsween. No unity among the
so the Prime Minister says there's somebody in the INDI camp who's sulking, not quite happy with the manner in which things are headed. And after the Prime Minister said political circles abuzz, there's an interesting reaction coming in from the BJP. Stay on with us, Shivani. This is BJP Neta who's hinted at Rahul Gandhi as contender, spoken of the current situation that Sharad Pawar, Arvind Kejriwal and Akhilesh find themselves in. Let's quickly listen in to what Ajay Alok has to say.
हालांकि प्रधानमंत्री जी की तो जिम्मेदारी नहीं है कि विपक्ष को मजबूत बनाया जाए या घमंडियों को ताकत किया जाए। ये उनकी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है, लेकिन सच्चे लोकतंत्र के प्रहरी होने के नाते उन्होंने भी चिंता व्यक्त कर दी कि भाई कैसा विपक्ष है। नेता रूठ जा रहे हैं कि मुझे नेता डिक्लेयर करो तब मैं प्रचार करने जाऊंगा। अब देखिए कौन हो सकता है। शरद पवार तो हो नहीं सकते क्योंकि वो तो खुद सुप्रिया को जिताने के लिए परेशान है। स्टालिन हो नहीं सकते क्योंकि साउथ तक कन्फाइंड है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जेल में ही है। तो बचा कौन? अखिलेश की हालत वैसी पतली है। तो इस मामले में तो लगता है बचा एक ही आदमी, राहुल बाबा। नाराज हैं क्या? अरे पहले कांग्रेस पार्टी ही तो आपको नेता डिक्लेयर कर दे, वहाँ भी तो ये दिक्कत है। अब वैसे भी नाराज फूफाओं की फौज तो घमंडियों में भरी हुई है। प्रधानमंत्री भी बेचारे क्या करें। उनके अंदर का लोकतंत्र उन्हें कहता है कि विपक्ष को मजबूत रहना चाहिए, लेकिन जिम्मेदारी तो उनकी नहीं है ना कि वो विपक्ष को मजबूत करें। देश देख रहा है इन घमंडियों को।